Good morning, everyone. This is Kyle. I am Kyle Umland. I'm a chiropractor in Pasadena, California. And I just finished doing the live virtual Postural Ergonomics Workshop. And I wanted to tell you a little bit about my experiences with it. First off, 3 days, intense, lots of information, definitely coming at you full blast. That's great to have all that information, but what's also great is that all the sessions are recorded and available for you to go back and watch again to kind of get all those little nuggets that you want out of there, to be able to review that better and get it down better. Now, the whole course itself, the great thing is that they give you everything you need to be successful. Basically, they're going to give you three versions of how to do postural ergonomy with people. You can do an in-office version where people, your present patients and stuff come in. You can do it with them in office. You can do it on site, going into companies, doing it on site, that version. And then one that's really interesting to me is a virtual version where you can do all this virtually, where you don't have to be there. These days with the COVID thing, obviously that's something, but also for me, I was interested in a virtual, setting up a virtual sideline that I can have income coming in. I can do it for companies or individuals wherever they are. I don't have to be there in person, which means I have the freedom to be living wherever I want to be with a virtual income. So that was what really appealed to me. The other thing that they do is they're going to give you ways to implement this. Basically, ways to, hey, this is on social media with press releases, all the different ways that you can get the word out and actually bring in the business. So they give you a blueprint on doing all that also. So I highly recommend it. I say if this is something that you're interested in, this would be a great course for you. Take care now.